Hey everyone, welcome back to Homo Gadget. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and its predecessor, the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. These are two incredible compact cameras, but is the upgrade worth it? Stick around as I break down the key differences, highlight the improvements, and help you decide which one suits your needs. Alright, let's get started with the design. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has undergone a significant redesign. First off, it features a larger 2-inch rotatable touchscreen. This is a big step up from the smaller, fixed screen on the Pocket 2, making it so much easier to navigate settings and frame your shots. Both cameras are compact and lightweight, perfect for on-the-go creators, but the Pocket 3's grip feels more ergonomic in hand. Plus, DJI has added a built-in accessory mount, which was notably absent in the Pocket 2. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when using add-ons like a microphone or tripod. So, for design and usability, the Pocket 3 definitely takes the lead. Side-by-side comparison footage showing the video quality from both cameras. Now let's talk about what really matters, the camera performance. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 features a larger 1-inch sensor compared to the Pocket 2's 7-inch sensor. This upgrade means you get better low-light performance, richer colors, and sharper details, even in challenging lighting conditions. Another big win for the Pocket 3 is its ability to shoot 4K at 120 frames per second. If you're a fan of cinematic slow-motion shots, this is a game-changer. The Pocket 2, while still capable of great footage, maxes out at 4K 60fps. When it comes to overall image quality, the Pocket 3 is the clear winner, especially if you're serious about content creation. Both cameras come equipped with DJI's signature 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which ensures buttery smooth footage no matter what. However, the Pocket 3 introduces the new Active Track 6.0 technology. It's faster, smarter, and tracks your subject with more precision, even in fast-moving scenarios. If you're someone who relies on subject tracking for vlogging or action shots, the Pocket 3's improved tracking is a massive upgrade. Battery life is another area where the Pocket 3 excels. It offers up to 120 minutes of recording time, slightly more than the Pocket 2. Plus, it now supports USB-C charging, which not only speeds up charging, but also makes transferring files much faster. The Pocket 3 also connects seamlessly to DJI's updated app, giving you access to more advanced editing tools and sharing features. What do you think? Will you upgrade to the Pocket 3 or stick with the Pocket 2? Let me know in the comments below.